What's up, beautiful crafters? Today I am going to be stitching out a side bow. Y'all know what I'm talking about. This trending bow, it's all over the place. Everybody's doing it. I absolutely love this. This is one that I stitched out. Y'all see it? It's too cute. So I did the bow with the ornament on this side, and I did the Grinch hand on that. This is not the one I'm going to stitch out. I'm going to do a snowman. Now, both of them I digitized myself, but I'm going to stitch out the snowman. I think these are so adorable, y'all. Okay, you guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. This is the final look, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. This snowman looks like he's ready to hop on off this sweatshirt and go about his business, don't he? All right, guys, so make sure and seal your edge of your sweatshirt after you finish to make sure it doesn't fray or anything like that. All the links of the file that I use and all of that will be in the description. I'll leave it in the description of my video. And like always, y'all, see you in the next one.